and welcome back to my channel. This is Gayatri. I hope you all are doing good. I am superb. So I am after one long year back on YouTube. I was pregnant and I could not upload videos this one long year. I stopped uploading video when I was 7 months pregnant. I went to my parents' place and I was not able to shoot over there. So I have come back and my baby is already 1 year old now. So I thought I should start shooting for this channel. I also have a Tamil channel and I'm active there from about 2 months, odd months. And frankly speaking, I am so much busy with my channel that I am not able to find time for myself and upload videos and shoot videos. From now onwards, I would be consistent on both my channels. So if you're a Tamilian, please subscribe to my another channel. I would give the link in the description box below. So if you're interested in my pregnancy and labor story, comment down below. I will come up with that soon too. Further delay, let's start with so without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. And today's video is we are going to review Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. So the product I'm talking about is this. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and this comes with a glass bottle, and the knob for this is in plastic. And when you open this, it has a spatula kind of thing which helps you to apply the foundation evenly on all sides without spilling it or without taking it on your hands. So it is easy to apply it on your face. So the front side of the foundation says Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation and the shade name. So the shade name for mine is Desert Beige. This shade is a perfect shade for medium to dark skin tone. So my shade is warm, and this is a 30 ml of product, and it also says it's cruelty free. So let's see the backside of the product and what it claims. So the backside product has the shade name again, Desert Beige, Beige Desert, and it says Goodbye Photo Flashback, helps eliminate white particles and reflection. So I think so the white cast it leaves, this foundation does not leave a white cast on your skin. It claims that it is tested under 7 light conditions with top smartphone models and with and without flash too. So let's see how this works. The price of the product is $5.99, but on sale, it's always on sale. I bought it for $2.99, so this is a grab. If you are a beginner, you have to buy this product. It is an amazing product. I have been using it for months and months now, and I love it. That's the reason I'm going to review this product right now. And let's see how this works. And so I have taken some on my spatula and going to apply this. You can see this is a perfect shade for me. So I'm going to blend this with my hand, and you can see the coverage that it gives. So I have a mirror right now over here, so I'm going to check it over there. So I've applied it on my right side, and you can see my left side. So it gives a nice warm coverage, and it is buildable also. So let's see the application. Has given a good amount of coverage, I can say, and we can try and build it up with this foundation. So I'm going to apply a second coat and just show you guys how the second coat looks like. So just going to apply it on my face and going to blend it with the beauty blender. Tell you guys that this foundation stays up to 5 to 6 hours without any touch up. I have used it couple of times and I just love the foundation and the coverage it gives. So on my lips is this lip crayon from Lakme Enriched. It's in the shade Berry Red 01, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified for my upcoming videos. And until we meet next time, bye guys.